Lydia, so I have my headshots. I have printed them up. I have my 25 copies ready for my in-person auditions. What do I do next? Well, I'm glad you asked. So there are a couple of websites that you're going to need to create profiles on. Very important websites. They're the websites that I use in submitting you for auditions for work. The first website is actorsaccess.com. It's www.actorsaccess.com. And this site is very important because it's how I submit you for film and television roles. So it's very important that not only do you go and create your profile, but you answer everything that it's asking you to fill out. So that means your height, your weight, your hair color, your eye color. You need to put in your resume line by line. No, I cannot do it for you. I'm super busy. You have to take care of those things yourself. You cannot upload your resume. You have to enter it in line by line, each credit line by line. The other profile that is very important, and this is what I submit you for commercials and commercial print work for, is Casting Networks. Casting Networks is www.castingnetworks.com. And I do have an agency code for you. So I will be emailing that to you, or you can email me for it and I will give it to you. But again, this is a profile where you need to answer all of the questions that they have on there for you, and put in your resume and put in all your pictures. Now for Actors Access, they give you 2 free pictures with your free profile. Now, most actors will just use the 2 free pictures, but you need to help your agent market you. So the more pictures that you have to choose from, the more different types of characters that I can submit you for. So if you've got one of you as a bad guy, and then one of you as a professional, and then one of you as a college student, and one of you is the guy next door, that gives me options in submitting for you. So be generous with yourself, invest in your career, and add as many pictures as possible that you can put on your Actors Access. Marketable pictures, not just any pictures. No candids either, okay? It's important that we use professional pictures on there. And I think that's it. So those are the 2 main profiles that I use to submit. There are others, like in the beginning we were doing Now Casting, but there's not a lot on there worth checking and submitting on every day. But Actors Access is the biggest one. Casting Networks is for commercials. Now, if you tell me that you can audition for commercials and you're in the Texas area, then I need you to be able to attend your auditions. Sometimes they give me a day notice. If I'm lucky, longer than that, maybe 2 days. But normally it's a day notice, so you can't tell me I'm available, and I said, great, you have an audition in Austin tomorrow at 4. Oh, I can't make it. It doesn't help any of us, because you can't get the job unless you audition. And it doesn't make much of an agency for us if I have nothing but actors who decline their auditions. So it's very important that you move the earth to make sure that you make it to that audition. Now, I understand that things happen. You may get sick, there could be car issues going on, and an emergency happens. I understand that. But 99% of the time, I'm going to need you to do whatever you can to get yourself there. It needs to be more important for you than it is for me. And it's because it's pretty important to me. So make sure that you make it to your auditions, okay? It's part of being a professional. And I believe that's it. So have a good night, and I will see you in the next video.